RoofPax here, and thanks for your interest in our products. Our family-owned business is made up of avid travelers and weekend warriors, so we understand the constant lack of space when going on the road. We set out to create our car top carrier products to extend the RoofPax family. We know that no one wants to be unpleasantly surprised while traveling, so we transformed that concern into creating the best possible car roof bag you can find around. Introducing the latest edition of the Universal RoofPax waterproof car top cargo carriers, available exclusively on Amazon.com. RoofPax bags boast a spacious 15 or 19 cubic feet of extra room that can easily hold 4 to 6 medium to large suitcases and camping gear, so you can safely carry what matters most to you. Our bag is exactly what you need. Now with 2 waterproof SBS zippers to keep your luggage dry even in heavy rain or snow, and crafted out of double-coated waterproof military-grade PVC canvas for long-lasting durability. It works on all cars with a roof rack, raised side rails, or crossbars. If you have none of these installed, you can always use the included patent-registered 6-door hook straps for easy and quick installation. We've also added an integrated 8mm mat for maximum protection of the car's roof. Equipped with 10 heavy-duty straps around the bag for your maximum safety, a light reflective logo for safe nighttime travel, a TSA lock for security, and finally is backed by our incredible lifetime warranty on buckles and zippers. So if you've thought of it, so have we. Make the right choice for travel and choose RoofPax.